Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to install the Claude Code on Windows. So first thing you need to do is you need to open the PowerShell as an administrator. So let me search for PowerShell and I will run it as administrator. When you are in administrator mode, what you need to do is you need to type in the installation command, which is irm https://claude.ai/install.ps1iex. So this is the installation command that you need to run. So press enter. Now based on your internet speed, it will take some time. So you can see the installation is completed and it is asking me to add this path to the environment variable. So what I can do is I can copy this path up to bin, Control C, and I will open the Windows search and then environment variables, open the environment variables. In the system variables, I will just open this path, double click and add new, and then paste this path and then say OK, OK and OK. So after adding this path, what I can do is I need to restart my terminal. Again, I will open the PowerShell, run as administrator, say yes, and I will just confirm if it has installed Claude. I will just check the version and you can see it's showing me the version. So that means the Claude Code has been installed. So this is the easiest way to install the Claude Code on your computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.